Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the high limit and the safety thermostats on your LG dryer. If you are experiencing no heat symptoms, it's a good thing to check or replace these parts. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair tips and guidance. Let's dive in and get your dryer back to working like new. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Flatblade screwdriver, a short Phillips screwdriver, a multimeter, a power Phillips screwdriver, and the vacuum cleaner. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off, and also turn the gas off. The high limit and the safety thermostats are designed to terminate power to the gas valve if the temperature of the burner funnel exceeds safety level. Unlike the safety thermostat, the high limit thermostat does not automatically reset when it cools down. That is designed for the purpose of pointing to the blockage in the exhaust system. The thermostat can be manually reset after taking care of the venting issue by pressing in the little button on the top of it. But if it popped open, you should replace it together with the safety thermostat. The high limit thermostat is located on the left side of the burner funnel near the bottom, and the safety thermostat is mounted at the top of the funnel on the right. To check them, we need to strip quite a few things off of the dryer. Take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. Move to the front and pull the water tank drawer on the left and remove the water tank. Using the Flatblade screwdriver, press the locking tab up from underneath the drawer and take it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove 2 screws, one on each side of the drawer opening. Move to the right corner and remove 1 more Phillips screw from the back of the control panel. Disconnect control board plugs. Pull on the top and remove the control panel. Open the door and remove 4 Phillips screws, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Next, remove top Phillips screws that hold the front panel. Use a Flatblade screwdriver to release the catch on the top right and tilt the front panel for about an inch. Disconnect the white and the pink plugs from the door switch and the light and remove the front panel. Remove 4 Phillips screws from the top of the front bracket and take the bracket away. Get down and disconnect the sensor plug on the right. Next step is to take out 2 Phillips screws on each side, lift up and remove the front bulkhead. I recommend wearing gloves for the next step. Don't get shy, get on your 4 and reach under the drum from both sides. Push up the idler pulley and remove the belt of the motor pulley, pull on the belt and slide the drum out of the cabinet. You may clean the dryer. Using a vacuum cleaner, carefully not to break the igniter, clean the lint out. Get to the rear and clean the duct pipe. As I mentioned earlier, the high limit thermostat is on the left side of the burner funnel under the flame detector, and it has 2 wires. There is a reset button in the middle. Do not push it in yet. Using the Flatblade screwdriver, remove 1 wire over the terminal. Set your multimeter for continuity, Wi-Fi looking sign, and touch both terminals of the thermostat. If there's a continuity, the thermostat is good. If not, it's open, and now you can push the button in and run the test again. Let's move to the safety thermostat. It tests the same way as a high limit. There are also 2 wires. Use the Flatblade screwdriver to remove 1 wire off and set the multimeter to continuity. Touch the terminals with both probes. If you are getting continuity, the thermostat is good. If there's no continuity, replace the safety thermostat together with the high limit thermostat. Using a Flatblade screwdriver, remove wires from the terminals. Unscrew 4 Phillips screws and lift the thermostats. This is the old high limit and safety thermostat next to the new ones. If you don't have these parts, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the safety thermostat on the top right of the burner funnel just over the opening. Align the holes and secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. Connect the wires the order is not important. Place the one leg of the new high limit thermostat in a cutout just the way you did with the safety thermostat, and then align the holes and install 2 Phillips screws. Again, connect the wires, and again, the order is not important. Don't relax just yet. This heap of metal and screws is far from a working dryer. You've still got some work to do. Place the belt on a drum with the ribs inside. Install the drum inside. Make sure that the rear edge is on the 3 rollers. Place the gloves on and dive under the drum. Loop the belt over the idler pulley, push the idler pulley up, and install the loop over the motor pulley. Slowly turn the drum one full turn manually to check the belt position. Bring and install the front bulkhead. Make sure all support rollers are under the drum. Lock the front bulkhead into 4 pilot holes on the sides and secure the bulkhead with the 4 Phillips screws. Install the top front bracket. Lock in the side hooks and secure everything with 4 Phillips screws, the longer ones on the sides of the cabinet. Get down and connect the sensor plug on the right. Bring the front panel, install it on the bottom hinges. Tilt it forward, reconnect the white and the pink plugs. Using the flatblade screwdriver, lift the catch on the right upper corner and secure the front panel with 4 Phillips screws. Open the door and install 2 Phillips screws at the bottom and 2 Phillips screws at the top. Mount the control panel. Install 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the dispenser drawer opening and 1 more from back in the right corner. Connect all the plugs. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock, and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Install the water tank drawer in. Lift the tab with the flatblade screwdriver and push it in. Place the water tank inside the drawer and slide the drawer in. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Great job on tackling your LG dryer repair. We hope this video helped you get it back to running smoothly. We would love to hear how your repair went, so feel free to share your experience with us in the comments below. If you found that you need a new high limit and safety thermostats or any other parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thank you for trusting us to guide you through your repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.